In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the maintenance error on the Epson L15180 printer step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The maintenance error on Epson L15180 can appear for several reasons, such as a dirty or unreadable chip, poor contact between the maintenance box and the printer, incorrect installation of the box, or a chip that needs to be reset. In some cases, the printer may also fail to detect the maintenance box properly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to check, clean, and fix the issue to restore normal printer operation. In the first step, let us remove the printer's maintenance box so we can inspect and check its condition. As you can see, carefully check the maintenance box, especially the chip. If it is dirty, clean it properly. In this case, the chip is already clean and in good condition, so now we will try resetting it once to see if the problem gets resolved. To reset this maintenance box, you need a chip resetter with the specific code C9345. This tool is used to reset the chip so the printer can recognize the maintenance box again and remove the error. I have added the purchase and viewing link for this chip resetter in the description. You can check it there. To power the chip resetter, you can use two types of ports: a Type-C port or a Galaxy charging port. When the red light on the chip resetter turns on, correctly align and connect its pins to the chip. Once properly connected, the light on the resetter will turn green. Now reinstall the maintenance box into the printer, and press the OK button to check if the problem is resolved. In most cases, the issue should be fixed. If the error still appears, it is recommended to take the printer to a professional printer repair workshop for further inspection. That is it for this video. As you saw, we checked the maintenance box, cleaned and reset the chip using a C9345 chip resetter, and reinstalled it to fix the maintenance error on the Epson L15180. If the problem still appears, it may require further technical inspection or replacement of the maintenance box. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell for more printer repair tutorials. Thank you for watching.